Have you ever felt like the chaos of life is swallowing you whole? Like no matter how hard you try, the stress just doesn't let up. You're not alone, and I know that feeling all too well. But what if I told you you just need to know how to calm yourself the right way? Let's dive into practical, soul-nurturing techniques to bring you back to peace even in the middle of chaos. Hi, I'm Banatia from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for wellness entrepreneurs. If that's you, and even if it isn't, continue watching. One of the best ways to start your day with intention is by having a morning ritual. It doesn't have to be elaborate. It could be as simple as taking 5 minutes to focus on your breath, sipping your morning tea, or writing in your gratitude journal. For me, morning used to be about checking the emails and rushing to get to my to-do list. But I realized that I was carrying the stress with me throughout the day. Now I spend 30 minutes each morning sitting with my journal and my cup of water or my glass of water and focusing on my breath. It's a game changer. Take a moment now to think, what could you include in your morning routine to invite more calm? Write down one small change you can make and give it a try tomorrow morning. Now let's move to a simple guided meditation that you can use anytime you're feeling overwhelmed. Find a comfortable spot. Close your eyes and let's breathe together. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. As you breathe in, imagine you're drawing in peaceful energy. As you exhale out, imagine releasing all the tension from your body. Inhale calm, exhale stress. Keep this going for a few breaths. Now picture a place that makes you feel completely at ease. Maybe it's a beach, a forest, or even your own cozy room. Let yourself rest there for a moment. What can you see, hear, or smell? Let those sensations fill you with peace. Take 2 more deep breaths, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Stress management isn't just about making big changes. It's about those little things that you do each day. Here are a couple of easy practices that you can try. Practice 1. Take micro breaks throughout the day. Just 2 minutes to step outside, stretch, or close your eyes. I personally set an alarm on my phone to remind me. Sometimes I turn it off, but I'm working on it. It's amazing how much a difference just standing up and stretching can make. Practice number 2. Try journaling before bedtime. Write down 3 things that went well today, no matter how small they are. It helps to shift your focus away from the stressful stuff and onto the positives. What's one small habit you can add to your day for a sense of peace? Go ahead and write it down. As wellness entrepreneurs, we often put so much pressure on ourselves to succeed. But here's the secret. Mindfulness doesn't, that's a new word. Mindfulness doesn't just reduce stress. It can make you a better business owner too. I used to believe that working harder meant more success, but I found myself getting tired and burnt out. When I began practicing mindfulness, I noticed that I made better decisions and connected more deeply with my clients. Even during a busy workday, I'll take a moment to focus on a candle's flame or take a few deep breaths. It's a reminder that peace is always within reach. I've seen firsthand how these techniques can change lives. One of my clients used to feel overwhelmed every day, balancing her growing wellness business and family life. After just a few weeks of implementing daily meditation and journaling, she told me, I feel like I could finally breathe again. Another client shared how taking those 2-minute breaks during her workday helped her creativity flow better. She found herself coming up with ideas that were more aligned with her purpose. It's amazing how small shifts can create big results, whether it's through morning rituals, guided meditations, or those small daily practices. You can find peace even in the chaos. Remember, you just need to know how to take those little steps. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and let's continue the journey together. I believe in you, and I'm here with you every step of the way. Until next time, keep shining bright, and I'll see you in the next video.